At Mixer&Pack, we define ourselves as creators of emotions. We are leaders in the integrated development of perfumes and home fragrances for third parties and specialists in turning your brand's personality, philosophy and values into a truly unique fragrance with soul. With an extensive portfolio of brands that already trust us and more than 30 years of experience, at Mixer&Pack, we are at the forefront of both olfactory and design trends. We guarantee exclusivity and excellence in all our work, as well as the technical requirements for every sales channel. We have the most creative and sophisticated team, the most highly qualified professionals and technicians in the field with the most prestigious international certifications and the most advanced technologies. At Mixer&Pack, we understand that both what you do and how you do it are important. Therefore, we implement the strictest quality standards throughout the entire manufacturing process for all our products, with an emphasis on sustainability as one of our key pillars for achieving excellence. Developing a fragrance is the result of a creative dialogue between Mixer&Pack and our client. During this initial stage, the business development team is responsible for identifying the objectives and challenges associated with every project. After having established the product's objectives, both the olfactory briefing and the creative briefing are outlined respectively by the laboratory's technical team and a team of developers, designers and illustrators. Mixer&Pack has an exclusive method for developing and unifying the concepts, images and all the emotions that each brand wants to convey to consumers. This is how we ensure that your dreams become a large-scale industrial reality. The end result will be a great product for your brand, capable of conveying your brand's values and signature identifiers. Our physical chemistry and microbiology laboratories are responsible for meticulously studying the quality of raw materials as well as the formula's stability and efficacy. They are also responsible for carrying out stringent physical and mechanical tests to ensure its correct functioning. Our toxicology department also conducts external dermatological controls to verify the product's safety, and they are also responsible for technical document management. Additionally, Mixer&Pack has a regulatory affairs department, which is responsible for legal document management to facilitate the product's export and marketing in over 130 countries. We conduct preliminary studies to assess the viability and launch potential in each of your markets. In this way, Mixer&Pack guarantees your success as well as the product's quality and durability, two extremely important factors when it comes to becoming an olfactory branding activator for your brand. Once the formula, design and concept of the new product have been determined and all the technical work has been executed, Mixer&Pack manages the purchasing of all components, ingredients and raw materials required for its development through the most experienced suppliers in the market. The raw materials are stored until their ingredients undergo the maceration stage, which is essential for transforming the formula into the desired product, reflecting the values of each brand. To do this, at Mixer&Pack, we have one of the most advanced manufacturing 4.0 facilities in Europe, with large alcohol stores and maceration rooms equipped with tanks of all sizes, enabling us to adapt to all client profiles. Our bottling and packaging plant combines 30 automatic and semi-automatic production lines, lean manufacturing, agile and Kaizen philosophy, and energy-efficient processes. All of these come together at Mixer&Pack's factory to make each project highly industrialized, profitable, and sustainable. At Mixer&Pack, we know that by striving for excellence in all stages of the process, we develop products that guarantee the success of your projects. With a continuously developing and experienced team, as well as the most innovative industrial technologies, our factory creates emotions, helping improve your brand's image and allowing you to connect with your clients and consumers. This is our essence. Mixer&Pack, making essences.